What if asking questions could be so powerful that it gets you sentenced to death? Over 2,000 years ago in Athens, a philosopher named Socrates was put on trial. The charges were serious, corrupting the youth and rejecting the city's gods. But Socrates wasn't dangerous because he claimed to know everything. He was dangerous because he kept asking questions. Instead of giving lectures, Socrates spent his time in conversations. He would approach people, students, politicians, even strangers, and ask them simple questions about justice, truth, or morality. When they answered confidently, Socrates would respond with another question, and then another. Slowly, their certainty began to collapse. This questioning style later became known as the Socratic Method, and it was recorded by his student Plato in a series of philosophical dialogues. In one example, Socrates speaks with a young man named Euthydemus, who believes he fully understands justice. Socrates asks him a basic question: is lying or stealing unjust? Euthydemus quickly says yes, but Socrates continues. What if a general deceives the enemy during war? Is that still unjust? Now the answer becomes complicated. Euthydemus adjusts his view. Lying is wrong to friends but acceptable against enemies, yet Socrates pushes further. What if a commander lies to his own soldiers just to raise their morale? Suddenly the confident student is unsure. Every answer reveals new contradictions. Socrates compared himself to a midwife. Just as a midwife helps deliver a baby, he believed his questions helped people give birth to their own ideas. The goal wasn't to win arguments, but to expose hidden assumptions and sharpen thinking. This powerful method spread far beyond philosophy. It has been used in medicine, science, and even modern legal education, where professors challenge students with unexpected hypothetical cases. The Socratic method doesn't always give final answers. Instead, it forces us to question what we think we know. And for Socrates, that relentless questioning changed the world while ultimately costing him his life. If you found this interesting, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.